sit there as they grow. He will watch them grow, and he would just sit there and enjoy them as they get bigger and bigger. And then they're gonna think that that's their dad. Animals how you want it, and doing it organic where you can afford it. You can just buy some simple greens and mixtures, and then you can grow them in a jar without no soil, or you can try different things. Right here, there's this pad underneath that absorbs water, and I put just barely a little bit of cocoa coir in that bottom, just so it absorbs the moisture. And then I've actually planted some over here. I just had some extra pods laying around, so I figured, hey, might as well. And I got this right here drying out, and I'm gonna put it back in the jar. So here's 3 different ways you can do it. This goes in a jar. Every day you want to add water and rinse it out, and then dump it out. And I usually put it on something flat, that way it'll spread out and grow more. These things in 5 days will be super plants, and they'll be 10 times bigger than they started. And if you let them keep growing, the more better vitamins will mature, and the better the chickens will absorb the nutrients. Remember, Havens Homestead, we doing it right, organically and raised with love. Peace!